In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect AirPods to Windows. AirPods are primarily designed for Apple devices, but they can seamlessly work with Windows computers too via Bluetooth, and here's how to do it. Before you start pairing process, ensure that your AirPods are ready. Place them in the charging case. Press Windows plus L on your keyboard to launch the Settings app. For Windows 10, click on Devices, and for Windows 11, select Bluetooth and Devices from the sidebar. Look for the plus button on the right side of the window and click on it to add a new Bluetooth device. When prompted to add a device, choose Bluetooth from the options. Open the lid of your AirPods' charging case. Press and hold the setup button on your back of the case until the status indicated starts flashing white. Hold down the noise control button instead. Your AirPods will appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your Windows. Select your AirPods from the list and then click Done to complete the pairing process. And that's it, guys. You've successfully connected your AirPods to your Windows computer. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.